This is a squirrel stealing seeds from our feeder. Deb initially thought it had a prehensile tail, that it was able to wrap its tail, but I see its little feet are actually holding on to the crossbar as it swings over and grabs the seeds. You can see it's got to work pretty hard to get a few seeds because it's got to suck them through the screen. Amazingly, it's got its little hands full. I guess that's just the color of the pads on the hand. So this guy's got to work pretty hard in order to get anything to eat out of here. I would think that the nuts back in the woods would be easier for it, but it seems to be more, maybe this is more fun. I've been thinking about taking a shot with the BB gun at it, but I have one little concern, which is that I might get lucky and hit the pole just exactly right and ricochet back through the window. But anyway, he's quite the acrobat.
I just sent you a Loretta Ross